price cuts of 100 rupees over the weekend. So while you're with us, talk to us about the impact coming in. What are the key negatives and positives as well, and how will this impact their profitability as well?
Well, if you see the LPG price cut of around 100 rupees per cylinder will be a direct hit on the profitability of the oil marketing companies because if you see currently the under recoveries on LPG stands at around 150. Now post this cut of around 100 rupees, that will increase to around 250 rupees per cylinder. Now the earnings impact might not be visible in the fourth quarter of FY24 because in FY24 earlier, if you see oil marketing companies had over recoveries and that's the reason this impact won't be visible in this current financial year of FY24. Over recoveries means that earlier they were getting LPG at cheaper prices, but they were selling at a higher price. So there was some profit that was booked earlier, and hence the impact won't be visible in FY24. But if LPG prices sustain at current levels globally, then FY25 profitability could take a hit. However, on the positive side, if you see LPG prices usually fall in summer, if that happens, then the impact would be limited on the oil marketing companies. And in past, what we have seen is that any losses on LPG have been made good by the government, given the fact that LPG is a controlled product. So though interim budget does not account for any subsidy for FY25, but the final budget could account for. So at this moment, it's not clear whether there will be an impact or not. But if there is no subsidy burden taken by the government in the final budget, then definitely there could be some impact on the oil marketing companies. On the other side, if you see what Morgan Stanley is currently saying is in the near term, conversations with investors point to skepticism about the diesel and gasoline, that is petrol fuel price cut going forward, given that elections are approaching. At current prices, if you see India's crude oil prices, India's retail fuel prices are benchmarking crude at around $90 per barrel. So Morgan Stanley is expecting a price cut of around 2 to 3 rupees per litre. Again, on the positive side, what we understand is that oil minister indicated that there won't be any price cut anytime soon, given the fact that the freight charges have recently gone up and oil marketing companies are still making losses when it comes to diesel sales. So it needs to be seen whether there will be any fuel price cut or not, because that will impact the profitability of the oil marketing companies as well.
Okay, Soumit, thank you so much for that update coming in both on Tata's as well as OMC's, what's happening on that front. But let's move on and also listen in to what the Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, who says that Indian OMCs faced losses for not passing on the international price hikes to the consumers, and the centre had to eventually compensate these companies for majorly and the majority of the losses that they made. Listen in.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस पर उन्होंने एक और डिसीजन कन्वे किया कि एलपीजी सिलेंडर का दाम जो है वो 100 रुपए और कम किया जाएगा. When the international price went up, we allowed the price domestically only to go up by 70%. In other words, the rest of it was absorbed. इसका नतीजा क्या हुआ? इसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि जो हमारी कंपनीज हैं उन्होंने घाटा लिया. कितना घाटा? उनका रिपोर्टेड लॉस इज 28,000 करोड़ और हमें उस 28,000 करोड़ में से शायद 22,000 करोड़ वी हैड टू रीएम्बर्स देम बिकॉज वी वांट टू कीप आवर कंपनीज अफ्लोट एंड द कंपनीज अल्टीमेटली आर आंसरेबल टू देयर शेयर होल्डर्स.
Well, that's the